Hello, everyone. This is Jim Okrzinski with I'd say an example of a lecture video. Usually I don't produce one for week one. The opening activities and a screencast video are usually sufficient, but thought I'd give everybody a chance to experience what a lecture video might look and sound like. Here I have in the schedule a lecture video about Google Drive, so I'll talk about that activity. I've just finished grading probably about 8 or 9 submissions. I have to say everybody's done an excellent job with uploading the GDoc link to the assignment here in Blackboard. If you're running through the syllabus, you want to pay close attention to the submission guidelines. And the fact that just having something sit in the Drive folder does not constitute a submission, that you have to take the GDoc link from that Drive folder and submit it to the correct assignment in Blackboard. I did notice here when I went into the folder, there are some syllabi sitting here, probably annotated by some people that have not made it to the are submitted to Blackboard. So you want to make sure that you grab the GDoc link from our shared course folder here, the syllabus and Google Drive exercise folder, and submit that to Blackboard for your points. It's kind of critical there. So just to review, there's the orientation video and also the Google Drive tutorial about how to go about adding the Google Drive folder to your account. If we go into the course units, there we go. I have the idea, some of the ideas that we'll talk about next week, more so about discourse communities. You can look at the theme and the syllabus there. I'll cover that when we really dive into those discussion boards. And then here is the all-important Google Drive instructions, link to the main folder, our tutorial video, another link to the folder with some of the instructions here. You want to make sure that you do add that shortcut to our course folder to your particular Drive, right? To your Drive account. So here are the instructions for the syllabus and Google Drive exercise. Now remember, I'm asking you to annotate, so highlight, but I annotate. You have to have I'll answer your questions directly in your document. And it's important that you make sure that you read through the syllabus. And if you are unclear, please make a comment, ask a question. I'll be more than happy to reply right in doc. That's how I comment on your assignments uploaded to the Google Drive folder. So please, because I do follow the syllabus really closely. All right. So you want to make sure that you are in a complete understanding of that particular document. It's important, right? Because a lot of times you'll ask me a question, and I'll refer you back to the syllabus. So that's one reason I have that syllabus activity. So the syllabus and Google Drive exercise has got to be submitted by Sunday end of day. Remember, some people did not get to their responses for the icebreaker activity and discussion board. I've run through and I've graded all those posts and responses that have been completed, so you might want to check the Grade Center when you get a chance. Right, no big mystery, just want to provide some sort of a lecture, talk about the Google Drive and the syllabus activity, look at the syllabus closely and the policies. If you have any questions, please send me an email. Look for the weekly screencast video sometime on Sunday night. Good luck. Stay safe out there.